our understanding of basic spreadsheets, let's look at the file BMI 10 and talk a little bit about body mass index. So approximately your body mass index is 703 times your weight in pounds divided by your height in inches squared. And if it comes out 19 to 24, basically considered normal weight, 25 to 29, overweight, etc. So let's look at this two ways. So I've made up some people's heights and weights. Let's compute their body mass index. So we would take 703 times their weight, copy down, divided by their height squared. Now I don't need parentheses here. Remember, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay, so parentheses comes first, exponentiation comes second, and then division comes later with the e. So it's going to raise that e to the power, and then it's going to do the remaining calculations. So 703 weight divided by height squared. I can drag that down. If you want to see the formula. Now, there's nothing wrong with we're putting in an extra pair of parentheses, and I often do that to make myself feel better. And if I copy that down, I get exactly the same answer, which is fine. Okay, now let's look at this a different way. If you go on the internet, you'll find a lot of charts that basically show you going down a column, people's height, and going across body mass index, and then beneath you find their weight. Now, how do you come up with that chart? Well, basically, you solve for weight, and that's BMI times height squared divided by 703, which is right over here. So if I would list people's heights, let's suppose we go, excuse me, 58 inches, 4'10", 59 inches, and suppose we go to 6'4", we can grab this, and then suppose we want body mass index. We want 19, let's say, for 32. Okay, we need a 32 there. Okay, so now the formula that we're going to use is, okay, weight equals body mass index times height squared divided by 703. Okay, so we got to remember our dollar sign. So we're going to take the body mass index here. Now I got a dollar sign, I guess the 17 hitting it. So it's body mass index times the height. Got a dollar sign, the G there, right? Squared. And we divide that by 703. That should come out to 91 pounds, I guess, and that's pretty close. Now I do Control C, I can select this range, Control V, okay. And so for 74 inches, I get 148 pounds. That looks right. Now, one thing you might want to do with this is just round off the weight to the nearest pound. So there's a function for that in Excel. So how do I edit a formula? It's the round function that we're going to use, by the way. So if you say round, just as an example, if I would say 77.7, that rounds that off to the nearest integer. And if I would say 77.2, that's going to round it down. There's also round up and round down. Okay. So if I wanted to make these integers, I could do F2 to edit that cell. Okay, and then I could say round, comma 0. Now that's going to be an integer. If I would copy that, and I could go down here, and I would quickly have created the chart that you'll see on the internet if you look up basically on any site that gives a body mass index chart, you'll see something like this. Okay, so that's a really nice use of basic spreadsheets to create a chart involving something we're all interested in, body mass index.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.